Rain, my name is Maxine with Parks Toyota of DeLand, here with your 2020 Corolla LE. You do have some warranties. You have a lifetime powertrain warranty as well as the maintenance warranty. Let's go ahead and take a look. So you do have your lane departure camera behind your rear view mirror. You do have the blind spot monitoring here in your side mirrors. Right here, this is your touchscreen display. Right down here, you can plug in your phone for Apple CarPlay. You do have an automatic parking brake here as well as a brake hold. Right over here, you do have your multi-informational display. So if you have any alerts or error messages, they're going to pop up here for you to see. Here are all your controls on your steering wheel for easy access. You do have your lane departure here, and that is your dynamic cruise control. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. So you do have a pretty big back seat. You do have a little cubby hole there for some extra storage if you need it. The middle folds down for some cup holders. You have additional cup holders in your side door. This is your trunk. Seats do fold down if you need a little extra room, but you have a really big trunk. Right there is your backup camera. And here is your Corolla. Alright, Rain, so the next step is to come on down, take it for a test drive. All of my information is at the bottom, and I hope I get to see you in soon. Remember, this is our last 2020. Once this goes, we'll only have the 2021s. Talk to you soon.